Hello from Slovenia again. Today I want to show you something a little different. Sometimes when we finish a painting, we don't love the whole piece, but there are still beautiful details hidden inside that painting. And instead of throwing that canvas away, I like to transform it into something new. You can always pour over your canvas if you want, but you can also reuse it in new creative ways and turn it into kind of functional art, jewelry, coasters, and much more. And when I cut off my canvas from the wooden frame, I still have a wooden frame that I can always buy just, canvas in a roll and reframe it and use it again. So there is no waste at all. So for my first idea, I cut out my favorite details and glue it onto the blank greeting cards. This way you can share a little piece of your art with someone special, maybe. So another idea, I cut out square from the canvas, glue it onto an MDF board, and I didn't do this in my video, but I will cover it with resin to make some unique coasters maybe, and they are beautiful, I have to say. And the third idea is to create jewelry. I glued pieces of canvas onto cabochons and place them into metal settings to make necklaces. And the fourth idea, I decorated a metal jar that I have a lot of them from dog and cat food and some other stuff. And I glue a part of the painting on that. And then you can use it like a flower pot, a brush holder, or even give it away as a handmade gift because, Christmas is coming soon and we are all looking for gifts already. And you can always, resin it or just put a coat of varnish on it and it will be okay. So those are just 4. There are so many possibilities. You can also frame smaller parts under glass or came up with your own creative ideas. So the point is, your painting doesn't have to stay on the wall or doesn't have to be, just the painting that you don't like. With a little imagination, you can give it a second life and turn it into coasters, jewelry, cards, pots, and so much more. So yeah, I will let you listen to some music, and I hope this inspires you to look at your old acrylic pours in a new way. And thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you didn't yet. So here are those few ideas what you can do with the canvas. I really like this one. Because, you know, I have a lot of those cans from dog food and cat food. I wasn't 100% precise, but it's still, you know, beautiful. This is the coaster that will get a resin finish because I need to do few more. At least I will not have a set probably, but I will have a pair at least, because I try to show you. This is the greeting card, and those are cabochons. I'm in love with this one, and they are, you know, just okay, even though that there is a canvas. I have a little square here left. You can even, you know, just do a small one, put it under the frame, or, you know, just sometimes the details, you know, are not nice on the whole painting, but they can create some amazing amazing functional art, or how can I say. You can even, you know, place this on some boxes and then put a resin on top, whatever you want. So yeah, I thought that maybe it will be helpful if I show you this stuff. I used some, for some I used Liquitex glass medium, and for some I used glue. I used glue here because the varnish didn't work. Okay, but yeah, definitely, and you can definitely resin this too to have a even more beautiful stuff. So yeah, I hope that you liked that video. If you did, please consider subscribe and support my channel. Lately it's kind of hard on YouTube. Everyone wants just, you know, little ones. Oh, and this can even be, you know, like a pot for a flower or whatever. So yeah, you can use it however you like. Yeah, this was it for today, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!